J02 Pro installation tutorial. Draw marks for the mounting holes. Drill holes at marked locations. Put the screw into the hole. Take out the nuts and the washers. Install the backplane. Install nuts and washers. Locking screw. Backplane installation completed. Forklifts can be used to assist with transportation and installation. Adjust the appropriate position. Start installing the machine. Align the holes on the back of the machine for installation. Embed some holes in the machine. Insert it into the holes in the lower part of the machine. Installation completed.
Destination planet ecstasy.